Check Rooney. Check away. Alright, let's turn this down since I'm actually verbally here. Alright, there we go. There we go. Alright, I just downloaded this PNGTuber because I noticed I was following it and they did an update. I've been wanting to do it for a little while. I might as well do it tonight. I work tomorrow, so we'll get a PNGTuber going before tonight. Hopefully within the next 20 minutes here. Okay, so this was written for 1.2.1, but we just downloaded 1.4. Got it from itch. It was, where was it at? Right here, PNGTuber Plus. Yeah, 1.4 for Windows. Alright. I'm on the tutorial. I got the tutorial right here, so let's work our way through it. Alright, I see you've taken an interest in using PNGTuber Plus. This document is meant to go over all the features. I'll attempt to remember to edit this document as the software is updated. Okay. Didn't work on that count, but that's fine. I've made my own devlogs and all kind of stuff, and it's hard to keep up with that. After downloading the zip file, extract the file anywhere you wish on your computer. Okay, I have that. I've got it. This is what I'm going to use, by the way. This image right here. I've got a couple of different, I like 1 and 3. We're going to use frame 1 and 3 just for start and see how that goes. I had AI go through and try to do a bunch of them. It's all good, you know. I think I have a really cool Vtuber thing. Okay, so we got the Vtuber for Windows, readme, text. Alright, whatever. It's coming into, it's got the little icon now. Alright. Okay, after downloading the zip, extract the exe file. Depending on the version, you may need to include the PCK file. Make sure you set your microphone to the correct one. Upon opening PNGTuber Plus for the first time, your screen should look like this. Alright, so let's go. I don't think we need CurseForge open. At the moment, we don't need Steam open. Oh, should we, let's try it muted. Is that better? Hey. Yo. Okay. Looks like it's working. Let's get the music going again. So we have, it's working. Oh, I got you the music. Is this the music? Is that the music, or how does that work? Hey. Hey. Hello. I got you. Oops, which one are we? I want to adjust the other one. That's alright. Okay, so let's keep going. The only thing that matters on the screen are the two sliders. The bottom slider keeps track of the audio volume and how loud your mic volume must be to make the character talk. The top slider is the character smoothing. Basically, how long will the character stay in talk mode even if the mic volume is not too loud. Play around with these values and see what works for you. They'll be saved once you've closed the program. Okay. Next up, hit the edit button in the bottom right corner. It will take you to a different screen and remove the transparent background. The edit button in the bottom right. Is that this pencil? Ah, okay. Head, hat, eye, mouth, hair. Okay. Interesting, yeah. Click on any sprite to select it. The sprite edit menu should appear. This menu has various sliders that change different aspects, different effects. Play around with different sliders and see what happens. Use the arrow keys to fine-tune the sliders. So let's click on a sprite. Or do we click over here? Oh wait, which one did I click on? Is that the, oh, the head. Okay, the hat. Oh, I see it. It highlights it like that. I3, I2, I1. Interesting. Okay. And the mouth. Sprite frames. Squash. Oh, weird. I don't see that doing too much. Rotational drag. Okay. Ignore bounce velocities. It's got a lot of stuff down here. Rotational limit minimum. Rotational limit maximum. Whoa. Alright. That's interesting that it scrolls like that. You literally scroll. Can we maximize that? Oh, there we go. Position, sprite frames. Animation speed. Drag. Okay. Anyways. Did I mess this all up? What did we do? What did we do? Does it work? That's wild. Okay. Anyways, let's keep reading. Computer. We got that. Let's go. Oh, because I'm full screen. That's cool that it's transparent. Okay, let's go there and there. Here's a list of all the sprite options and what they do. Position, the sprite's base position. This can be changed using WASD. Tap WASD for fine movements or hold WASD to move faster. Offset. This is the sprite's origin used for rotating sprites, as this is the point sprite. Change the sprite's origin. No tab movements. Okay, layer or Z index. Sprites layers. Sprites with a higher layer will be shown above sprites with a lower layer. Okay, drag when the sprite moves action. The sprite lag behind. Directional frequency and amplitude. Alright, squash, rotational drag, rotation limits, on talking button. These determine whether or not to hide the sprite when the user is talking. Option 1, the X will show the sprite always. Option 2 will only show the sprite when the user is not talking. Option 3 will only show the sprite when the user is talking. Okay, so what I want to do is set the two sprites in there. And I want to set one of those to option 2 and the other one to option 3. And I think that's all I have to do. This determines whether or not to show the sprite when the avatar is blinking. Okay, not blinking. Delete button. Unlink sprite animation frames. Determines how many frames are in the sprite's sprite sheet. Sprite sheets must be ordered horizontally. You can convert GIF to sprite sheet here. Animation speed. Ignore bounce. Edit mode. Add sprite. It's a new sprite ping profile. Only ping images will work. Enter the link mode. Only works sprite. Replace sprite. Only works sprite. Duplicate sprite. Save avatar. Load avatar. Open system folder. Exit. Edit mode. Reload sprites. Control. Okay, now that you understand the basics, let's run through how you can use these to make a real avatar. Okay. We're on page 6, 7 of 12 or whatever. We're going to remake the default avatar. This is your first time using the program. Recommend following along before diving into using your own sprites. Start by deleting the default sprite, then a body sprite, and a trash button. Oh, so let's go here. Let's go back to the edit. So they're all linked. So if I hit that, and then I hit, where's the trash button? Nope, that's not the trash button. So the head. Where's the trash button? Oh, right here? Ah, there we go. And then body? Ah, so we can get rid of the body as well. So what's this one? Add a new sprite? Okay. Path user, default avatar logs, files. So let's go back. Parent folder. Oh, do we have to find... Okay, hold on. I think it said down here, where is the default? Importing custom sprites. You can import any PNG that you'd like. Just keep a few things in mind. PNGTuber runs at a fixed resolution scale. Basically, images will be displayed at their base size and will not be scaled. I personally recommend drawing all the assets in a 720 by 720 size canvas, as that is the size the base window when it is opened. Wait, 720. So these are actually... The images for these are 1024 by 1024. I wonder if that's gonna... We can shrink them down, that's easy. But where was the... sharing and importing avatars. I glanced through this at first. Oh, here. Where's the user folder on my computer? C, users name, app data, roaming, Godot, app user data, PNGTuber Plus. Alright, I gotcha. Hold on. So let's take that one and just copy. Where are we going? C, users name, app data. Hold on. Let's go there. C, users name, app data. Roaming, Godot, app user data. Roaming, Godot, app user data. PNGTuber Plus. You can press the escape to open them. Okay, so, and is that what it said here? Default avatar logs shader cache. Ah, so if you take that and then just paste right in there. And then refresh, there we go. So let's load in frame 1, see what that does. And then what if we add a new sprite? Okay, we're going to load this one. Okay, so this one. What was it saying the on talk thing had to be set? Alright, let's go back to the... Okay, so let's go back up here where I was at, page 6 or 7 or whatever. Oh wait, it was up here. On talking button. These determine whether or not to show hide the sprite. Okay, rotation limits. Sprite editor. Let's sprite options and what they do. On talking. Okay. So option 2 is for not talking. So let's go to this guy. Where's the on talking? Is that what these are? They're not labeled. They're not labeled. So what do we set it to? What do we... Hold on. Okay. Option 1 is the X will show the sprite always. 2 will only show the sprite when the user is not talking. 3 will show when it is talking. Okay, I gotcha. So just the smile is not talking. Now we go to this one and we show it when it user is talking. Right there. Does that open the mouth? It does. It also does a little lift. Like, why does it lift? Can I disable the default lift? That looks really cool, but... Animation speed, squash. So does that work? How do we get out of edit mode? Go like that. So does that work? It does. Why does it lift it up automatically like that? Hold on. Let's go back to the... Okay, let's start by deleting the default sprite. Click on the body sprite, trash sprite, everything. Do later sprite, add new sprite, navigate to the default, reduce the head and head of the body. Select the body and change its movement to give it a nice sway. You might notice that the head and head are not moving along with the body. This is because we have not linked the sprites together. To give it a nice sway, so let's select, let's go back to edit. Where's the edit? Down here. We'll select it. Position, layer, sprite frames. Animation speed, drag, squash, rotate, ignore, bounce, velocity. What does that do? I don't know what that does. See, there's a bounce to it. I just want to take the bounce out. Ignore bounce velocity. Ignore bounce velocity. Nope, still bounces. Okay. Huh, okay. Well, let's go back to out of edit mode. So does it move? It does move up and down there. Bounce force, background color, blink chance, blink speed. Okay, so that's just in general. Bounce force 0. There we go. So now it's just whenever I talk. There, that's what I want. Okay, very good. So that's a setting in the PNGTuber settings. All right, I got you. Check, check. Okay. So how do we? Has that? Let's just do some checking here. Check, check. 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 So I want to go down to here, right? No, because that's a little too... Wait, this one. That's a little too... How come it does that? So we want to go a little bit higher. A, B, okay. And then this one I think we want to tune up a little bit. So really not sure how it knows to talk. A, B, C. Okay, that looks like it's working pretty good. And this is actually pretty decent here. It's not showing the whole image, but that's okay. So now with the PNGTuber, what we want to do is we want to do... Oh, have I been doing a window capture this whole time? Son of a bean dip. Let's go properties on that one. Let's go to the PNGTuber and set that like that. Okay. And then what we want to do is just drag it down to the bottom corner, I think. Put it right there. That should be good. And then the other one will turn on the display capture. Alright. Alright, I think we have it there. Let's wait. Is it on this one? Can we see view on YouTube? View on... okay. Oh, sorry, dude. I just found it. My dude, the screen is black for me. Bro, Trello, my dude, you're streaming black. Look at the chat. I want to see. Yep, all black. Yeah, that's funny. Dude, sorry. I think I just fixed it. I believe. So, also, does it show this now? Let me go look. Let me go look here. So let's go, actually, I think I just go to my channel. Make sure it's muted. So does it show when I... Yep, it does show that it's moving. There's a lag on it or whatever. But okay, cool. Interesting, huh? Yep, I see the things. Cool. Hey, so how you doing, Cosmin C64 Cosmin? What up? What up? Oh, that's cool. Alright, so that is really cool, actually. Yeah, so the other day I was working on my trader. Oh, I don't even have to load it there. I've got it already stored up in here. Where is it at? Where is it at? Current build. It will actually... This is really cool now. It'll play itself, so I can just watch. I can watch from the sidelines. First it'll go into the 2D space in just a second here. And it'll just fly around. I'm not doing anything. And then it will, I think it spends about 30 seconds doing this. And then it goes to the planets, and it uses the jetpack and flies around by itself too, which is really cool. I think it shows it off pretty decently. I want to, keep modifying it, whatever. I'm just getting started tonight. I don't know if I'm gonna. Here we go. See, it starts kind of fast. Yeah, and then it's just kind of. There we go. It was jetpacking directly into the hillside. That last run, that's why it was trying to. It just moves around with the sine curve, so it's just looking around as the sine changes, and then it starts to look back the other direction. And then each time it lands on the planets and shows off the little voxel worlds here, it's a different terrain configuration, and it's a different palette of colors for the voxels. So that's really cool too. Dude, it's so frozen here. It's frozen. So I'm inside coding. I'm not even going outside. It's frozen outside. It's not going to go above freezing until Sunday, Monday, one of those days. All right, where's this at? There we go. So there's the latest. I can set that to play, and it will. There we go. Haven't seen any updates since the jetpack stuff. Okay. Maybe the Vtuber image should have a larger mouth when open. But looks good. How are you? How have you been? Good. That's cool. All I did for the image. Where's it at? Pictures. Let me show you the bigger, because here's the first one. Here's the first one, the first iteration. See, it just opens it a little bit, and then this one opens it a little bit more. Yeah, it might be a little bit more but all I had to do was go like this, and then just take a box, and then see like the teeth and stuff. I tell you what, maybe we can do a little bit more. We'll go like this. Actually, why don't I do this? I'm just thinking out loud now. We'll take all of this, and we'll move it just a few pixels like that. Alright. And then the bottom part as well. We'll move that up a few pixels. Like that, I think. Okay, let me zoom in and do the next part too. Zoom in. I've been wanting to do this for a while with the PNGTuber. That's the itch. It was in my feed that they updated it. PNGTuber Plus. Here, I'll link this in chat too. It comes with a default one, and then they have a tutorial which I just followed that shows you how to edit it, but it's really, really easy. Whoops, that's the VTuber itself. Okay, so am I still on the selection? Yeah, there we go. So how did I do that again? So we want to go to the second layer of teeth and just open it the same amount, right? So the same, like that. Okay. And then also in a little bit more, but just this. Wait. Hold on. This layer of teeth. There we go. Then all we do is just fill in. Boop. Boop. Like that. In case we don't like it, we'll save it as frame 4. That's fine. So now we can actually go into here. We can take this one out. Whoops, did I hit the wrong thing? So which one is, oh yeah, you go into here, then you go down to the trash. Okay. So add a new sprite. And, oh yeah, we gotta copy it to that place. Frame 4. Copy. And then where was I just at? There we go. Frame 4, paste. Okay. And refresh. Load frame 4. So then on frame 4, we want to make sure that it's when the mouth is open. Okay. Check, check. Hey, that is a bit better, isn't it? It's more visible. Alright, so let's save that avatar. Jeff 2, save that. There we go. So we have to keep it not minimized. And then we should have a better speaking mouth. That's hilarious. Alright. Cool, dude. So much better? Okay, cool. So yeah, PNG, that makes it really easy. PNGTuber Plus. It's a little bit, you can tell, you know, it's, I don't know if it should be version 1.0 yet, but it definitely does its thing. But yeah, that's really, really cool. Log Gamer 2293. Question bye. All right. What's up? All right. So I've also been looking at Thor's game jam. I don't know if you know that the game jam is just started 11 hours ago at 6 a.m. this morning. The theme is it's spreading. So spread it around. Let people know there's a game jam. Well, that's all I'm going to do for now. I'm just going to put the PNG tuber thing up there. I don't think I'm going to do anything else. Maybe I'll play some code and game for a little bit. And then later I'll look at the, I'll have my own look at the VOD and see how the PNG tuber thing looked. See how it looks with, how it works with the music. Is it going with the music? Oh, where's the thing? See, are we in edit mode there? Let's exit edit mode. Edit mode. Is that because the music gets louder? Right down here. Hold on. It's a bit awkward, I must say. No, really. Isn't it cool? It's half Yoda and half R2-D2, half wizard, half programmer, you know? That was my request. Oh wait, don't minimize it. Alright. Don't minimize it. Oh wait, let's make it bigger down here. Ba-ba-bam-bam, ba-ba-bam-bam, ba-ba-bam. Ba-ba-bam-bam-bam, ba-ba-bam-bam, ba-ba-bam-bam. How come it doesn't show on here? Oh yeah, it does. Cool. Alright. Alright, what do we got? Uh-oh. We have one. Fastest mode. No. Ba-ba-ba-ba-bam. What to do, where to do it? Let's see. For Honor is a video game with a pretty realistic flight system. Your opponent can hit from the right, from the left, or from above. You can repulse his attack if you hit at the same side. If he does the hard hit, you can only turn in the opposite direction. Your task is to make a program that gets 2 lines, type of attack inside when your opponent tries to hit, and return also 2 lines, what you must do and when you must do it. Table with all information. Your opponent's power, attack, response, your response direction. Okay. Defense, response direction, same as your opponent. Okay. Dodging, right, left, any. Okay. A string power for your opponent's power. A string side for your opponent's attack direction. Your response, your direction response. Okay. Oh, alright. So what is the thing here? So if your opponent's power do I have to use string compare, or can I do it like this? Equals usual? Can we do that? I don't even know. Then we want to print what to do. Response defense. Also, what we're going to do with the response direction is going to be the same as the cout. So the first one, it's going to be defense above. Okay. And then what does it say? Your opponent can hit for the right if he does the hard hit, you can only turn in the opposite direction. So, okay. So there's that there. Then we go if power equals hard, right? Ba-bum. Then we go like this. And we're actually going to do a response of dodging. And then we're going to go if side equals left. Then we go cout. Okay. If side equals right. Left and down. And then we go if side equals above. Then we just go any. I think that does it. Everybody's getting it now. There we go. Bam. What else we got? Have fun, dude. Off to sleep. Hey, sleep well. Whoa, splendid stuff. You can also crop it in OBS. Cool. Does this work? How does this? Have fun. Nice for showing the PNGTuber. Thank you. Have a great night. You too, man. Awesome. Awesome. Is that a game? How are you, my man? Oh. What is that? Oh. Oh, it goes way up. Oh, okay. My dude, the screen is black. Okay, what else? What else? Hi. Log gamer. What is that? Is that a game? And just buy. Okay. I feel so stupid for being a completely dark screen at the beginning, but whatever. Whatever. We have a VTuber now, and maybe we should do it transparent. So let's see if we can get the... there's like an online PNG transparent. Make a PNG transparent. I think this is the one we've used before. Let's see. New pricing. Okay. World's simplest online transparent. Just import your PNG image in the editor on the left. Import from file. Alright, so what we want is... oh, we gotta go find it. So let's actually take from here frame 1 and frame 4, and let's just copy those. Or we could import directly from there, I guess. Let's go to pictures in here. We have them in there. Oh, next pixel art challenges. Okay. So, pictures, Next pixel art challenges. 1. Import from file. Transparency color. Enter color to make transparent. What? Zero, zero, zero. 0. Well, that doesn't look good. There's a better one. Hold on, there's a better one. Free. Remove background from image for free. There we go. Let's try that one. Upload image. Next pixel art challenge. Let's go frame 1. See what that does there. There we go. Look at that. Okay, add background resource. Okay, and then download. 500 by 500 is fine. Okay, let's go to another one. Frame 4. $500 by 500 is fine. Perfect. Computer. Save that in Essentials. That's a good one. There we go. Okay, so now let's go into here. Let's edit. Frame 1. And oh, we have to put them in there, right? Okay, hold on. So they went into downloads here and there. Copy. Paste. There we go. So refresh. So that one's gonna be like that. Yeah, this interface is a little bit clunky, like I could see if you're the programmer liking it because you know how it works, but yeah, a little bit clunky. Alright, and let's save that one as Jeff 3. Transparent. Okay, now we're going to run that one. So let's exit out of edit mode, and there we go. And just leave that. We don't need that anymore. This one, don't need that anymore. Alright, there we go. Yeah, there's the game jam. Alright. Okay, I don't know. Let's just run my demo. I'm just going to run my demo. Let's turn this just for a little bit. I just want to run the demo and see what it... let's see, where did it go? It's in here. Just run that with the... there we go. So this is literally one point as the background, and then the title screen is I am GUI. And then we've got most of this is shader code. That center star is a prime number texture. Then these are planets from, I think it's GM Shaber from opengameart.org. Very nice, by the way. They're overlaid with a slight cloud shader. Then there's one asteroid graphic which has 64 different asteroids, And then I changed each color of the asteroid based on a palette of asteroid colors that look cool in space. And this is the 3D voxel world. Perlin noise for terrain generation. And then each Y level has a different color. Then there's random tiles of different shader graphic functions just throughout. And then we've got little randomized color tiles that are standing up. Those are like my resources things or whatever. I have a whole bunch of different things I want to do. One of the first mini games I want to do is like a tower defense, like League of Legends Arena or Smite Arena, where the player will build and create like a base and then defend it with a minion generator, towers, and everything there. I can't believe I'm a Vtuber now. That's so cool. Alright, well, I'm going to end the stream. I'm going to see how this VTube experience looks. Thanks everybody for tuning in, stopping by, saying hi, saying bye, all that fun stuff. And have a great day.